The importance of photographs. Used to, you had to kind of carry a camera with you. Now everybody's got a camera with them if they've got a phone, and most everyone does. Talk to us a little bit tonight about that, the importance of taking photographs in a stressful situation.
Well, and Mike, it's not just photographs. It can be video. You know, just for instance, if you're in a collision in downtown Tuscaloosa, there's a good probability that surveillance video from a store, a bank, is going to capture the collision. Mm-hmm. There's a good chance that there'll be some people who take pictures, videos from the scene, whether they're participants or whether they just happen to be walking by. Yeah. Photographs, videos of the vehicles, the roadway, your injuries, even down to bruises, it's all important because it helps us put it together. You can take, just as an example, okay, Mike, when two cars collide on the interstate, or the road for that matter, the forces of those two vehicles come together, cause the vehicles to go down, which creates what we call a gouge mark on the pavement. It takes a chunk of the pavement out. The significance of that is it allows us to determine, for instance, which lane a collision occurred in. Because many times the question is, well, who was at fault in terms of you got cars going in the opposite direction, who crossed over the center line? Yeah. Well, physical evidence like that can be very helpful. So capture all that you can, and of course seeking a lawyer early on helps you accomplish that.
Often video is also shot by news organizations. I do know a little bit about this. You can't just ask for it. News organizations can't just hand it out, but you know how to get it. You subpoena it and get that video, and that could be useful, especially in a big serious accident.
Absolutely. I'll be in court tomorrow in a case where we were able to get video from local media coverage that helped us understand what happened with the collision.
And how powerful is that for the jury to not be just be described the scene, but to see the scene and to see what they were dealing with.
And you never know what audio you pick up, out there. So it's very, very helpful.